In this video, I'm going to show you how to create workflows in Hubspot that trigger based on a specific date or contact date property. First, go to the Automation tab and click on Workflows. Here, you'll see all the workflows you've created so far, and you can also create a new one from here. Now, click on Create Workflow. You can start from scratch, use a template, or use AI. For this example, choose a contact-based workflow and start from a template. Click Use Template to continue. Next, set up and manage your workflow by selecting the enrollment triggers. Choose a date property, such as a contact date or a custom date property. You can set a specific date or trigger the workflow relative to that date. After that, add your actions like sending emails, updating properties, and more. Once everything's set, review your workflow and publish it. That's it for today. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more HubSpot tips. See you in the next one.